welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you guys all of our Disney outfits that we have planned for our Disney World vacation. So I wanted to put together some cute outfits for us to wear, not go too crazy overboard because, you know, things can get super pricey, but I thought we picked out some cute outfits. So I'm gonna show you guys some of them on us and then some of them just laying down. We do have a couple of things being made for us, like t-shirts and whatnot. So nothing too crazy or over the top, but at the same time, I want it to be, you know, festive and in occasion. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Every single piece that I can find will be linked in the description box below as always. So make sure you are checking that. We've got some things from Etsy. We've got some things from Amazon, Target, all of the above. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed because you will soon be seeing all of our Disney World vacation vlogs that I cannot wait to share with you. Make sure you are following along on Instagram as well at Chic Mama. I will be sharing tons and tons of Disney pictures on Instagram and on my stories and whatnot. So yeah, let's jump into the video now. So one of the first outfits I have planned is a black t-shirt dress. And it's a very loose, flowy t-shirt dress. It's not like restricting at all. It does have some pockets. I'm gonna wear my traditional Minnie Mouse ears with those. And I'm gonna pair it with this plaid shirt tied around my waist. It is going to be very cool in the morning and cool in the evening. So I figured it would be perfect to have, you know, just like a long sleeve shirt tied around my waist. I can take it off if I get hot and I can put it on if I get cold. So that is going to be one outfit and I will wear that with probably my Adidas sneakers or regular sneakers, whatever, just to be super comfortable. But this is going to be really comfortable because it's nice and loose fitting. So this is the outfit that Sydney's gonna wear on that same day to kind of coordinate with mommy. I've got this buffalo check dress. It is so adorable on. I will insert clips of her wearing it, of course. And then you guys, how stinking cute. Sydney has her own Minnie Mouse ears. Who knows if she will wear them for the day, but I got these at CVS, believe it or not. So random, but when we were there, I saw them and I snagged them. They're almost like a great dupe for ours. And then I got these on Amazon. If you can see, sorry, the lighting is kind of bad because I am filming this part at night. But these little combat boots I got also from Amazon. If you can see the detail, there we go. So stinking cute, and they look really good on. This dress is also from Amazon, but when you flip it over, it straps crisscross over here and you can tie them in a loop and just tie them in a bow. It'll look cuter when it's on tied, but that's what it looks like. Depends on the day. If it's gonna be a cooler day, which I know the weather, it depends on the day. It's gonna be anywhere from 70 to like 79 is what they're predicting so far. So some days are going to be cooler. I might pair it with a like white or black t-shirt underneath, which I actually need to pull out of her drawers to see if she has. Just depends on how hot the day is. If it's hot enough, then she won't wear anything on the bottom. But wait, where you guys? And this is like the cutest little outfit, and it's going to be perfect for like a little Christmas outfit as well without the mini ears.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate.
And then I'm planning this for an Epcot day. It could be any day, but I wanted to do an Epcot day because they are having the Food and Wine Festival, of course, and we'll be eating all of the snacks. How stinking cute is this peplum top? I did get it on Etsy, and she's on Instagram as well. Little Faye clothing. I'll have it linked either way, but she designed this fabric by herself, and I just cannot. It has the Mickey pretzel, the Mickey balloons, Starbucks, churros, even though, wait, churros, where are they? Even though we are not going to Disneyland, we are going to Disney World. Not as known for their churros, but either way, so excited. And it has just the little Minnie Mouse cupcakes, all kinds of absolutely adorable Mickey Mouse treats on there. And I am going to pair that with pink leggings, I think. Of course, Sydney's gonna have, you know, her denim shorts. She'll have some black leggings and jeans, depending on the situation, but that is the planned outfit. As you guys know, with the weather and toddlers and all of the above, you gotta be flexible. So this is what I've got planned for her. I thought pink would go well with that shirt.
And my heart is made of dust and gray and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give.
And then this is going to be my outfit on the same day, so we are both wearing our snack outfit. I got this off of Etsy as well. It says hashtag snack goals, and again has like the similar treats, the Mickey pretzel, some Dole Whip, which I cannot wait to try Dole Whip. I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna have that the first day we're at the parks. Some churros, and then the Mickey, what do you call it? Like dilly bar type of thing. And I'm not sure if I'm going to pair it with the gold ears or the traditional ears or skip ears, like depending on how my head feels. But I think this is what I want to go with. And again, I will either pair it with my jeans or some jean shorts.
Hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come? And say by chance, don't you want me? A man who...
This next outfit is a matching mommy and me one. This is Sydney's. This shirt is from Etsy. It says Minnie Mouse with, I'm going to pair it with the ears. Like I said, we will see if she wears it. I do have this bow here from Famel Macro Fashion on Instagram, famel.com. I figured if she doesn't wear that, I'm going to bring this bow, and I'm going to bring, I have like a black one. I have a couple of other ones. We will see, or do pigtails, or just nothing, whatever she prefers and is more comfortable in. And then depending on the day, I'm going to pair it with denim shorts or jeggings or some black leggings. Just depends on the temperature. But I think that t-shirt and shorts should be fine for the weather that I am seeing ahead. But oh my word, how cute. And then we have mommy's matching one as well.
A sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.
This is my matching one. It says Mama Mouse. I love it. Mama Mouse and Minnie Mouse. How cute. And then I will probably wear this with these traditional Minnie Mouse ears. I feel like they're so much more beautiful than I've seen on videos. Maybe it's just me because I've never had them in person, but they're so pretty. I'm probably going to pair it with jeans. I do have a couple of pairs of shorts that I'm packing and a couple of pairs of jeans. Honestly, you guys, I'm more of a jeans person. I just feel like with walking so much, chafage, and just being more comfortable. We will see though. I'm bringing both, depending on, you know, how comfortable I am. But I can't, I'm so excited to wear these matching outfits and take pictures. Hopefully Sydney cooperates and at least gets one picture with mommy.
You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wild.
So then Sydney has these two dresses also to wear. These are from H&M. My friend Erica actually got these for Sydney quite a while ago this summer when she saw them. So Sydney has worn this one a couple of times. So these will be on other random days and pool days and whatnot. And what size are they? They actually shrunk. This one shrunk a bunch. They were both, what size? Like 1.5 to 2. And this one has been washed and dried and this one hasn't. So you can see this one shrunk just a little bit, but they still both fit. Yeah, so I am bringing Sydney's denim jacket to wear over dresses and whatnot, and in air conditioning if she is cold.
Enough. I got troubles, I got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come
And then on another random day, maybe Hollywood Studios, maybe a Magic Kingdom day, I don't really know quite yet. But I got this shirt. You've already seen it in one of my Disney videos. I got this from Target, and it is so soft. And honestly, you guys, it's very flattering on, in my opinion. It makes me look not as frumpy as the other t-shirts. I did get a medium in the other t-shirts because I like loose ones, but they're unisex, so they're quite large. This one is a medium, but it's more of a woman's fit, if that makes sense. Like, it's more flattering and fitting, but loose at the same, whatever, you know what I mean. Really like this one with the all over Mickey pattern, and I am going to pair that with those ears and, again, jeans or shorts.
Won't you come and sit by a chance? Don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart?
And then I have this outfit for Sydney for an Animal Kingdom day. I got this at Target. I'm sure you have seen it. It was on major sale. I got it for under $10. I want to say like $8 or $9 on clearance. And Sydney's obsessed with the Simba and Nala shirt. I did get it in 3T because it was the only one that was like left the day that I decided to get it. It came with this beautiful tutu, but unfortunately this is too big for Sydney right now. I am still gonna bring it and we'll see, but I don't think she's gonna be able to wear it because it does fall off. But yeah, she will probably pair this with some leggings or shorts and at least wear the shirt because she's obsessed and she keeps asking to wear it. Can I please wear my Simba and Nala shirt? So it is really cute, but she will eventually be able to fit into it maybe next summer or play dress up with it at least. But how stinking cute. I could not resist for under $10. Okay, and then this is possibly going to be an Animal Kingdom day for me. I'm not positive yet. So I need to, right after I'm done filming this, I need to make this shirt. I got this iron-on patch from Etsy. My friend got the same exact one, Hannah. She's coming with me, and she got the same one and sent me a picture, and I'm like, I need to get it because the decal was, I think, only like $8, and it came with this bow. So I am just going to iron this on right after I am done filming it, and we will see. I'm not positive how I feel. I guess I should have gotten a bigger size, but we will see. I'll either wear this shirt to Animal Kingdom or I will bring my leopard shirt from Amazon that I've worn like 18,000 times. So I will bring both and see what I am feeling in the moment. And then also probably those don't match, but maybe they do. Like, maybe it's fine. I don't know. We will see what I end up wearing, but that is an option. Okay, so I'm bringing this, but I don't think Sydney's gonna wear it. We will see. I love this. I got it forever ago online at a boutique, but I don't think they're in business anymore. I don't know what's going on. But I don't think it fits her that great because the straps seem to fall down even on the lowest setting. It's just not working for her body, but it does have the cross straps. I don't even know if you can see. Yeah, there. So I'm bringing that as well. I just wanted to mention it because you saw it in a video clip.
So I said, hey, don't you want to come?
These are going to be Sydney's airplane outfits. These are both from H&M. How stinking cute are they? H&M has so many Disney things, so many cute things for boys and girls alike. They're just, it's hard not to get all of them, everything. This one I really like because it is a zip up, so I will be able to bring this to the parks, and for mornings and air conditionings and cool nights, she'll be able to have a nice sweatshirt to wear. I might even need to bring her fleece as well. I probably will because it is getting a lot cooler at night, so we will see. But this is going to be one of her airplane outfits, and this one as well. I stinking love this one. My friend Erica got this for Sydney as well, so she will have, I think she's going to wear this one on the way there and this one on the way home. Not that it matters, it doesn't. I got this one way long ago, and then my friend got her this one, so lucky little girl. She's all decked out in cute Minnie Mouse gear for the plane ride. So that is going to do it for our Disney outfits. We do have a couple of shirts that are being made right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.